I have done a patient who is 65-year-old hair transplant. We have also done one patient who had a brain tumor hair transplant, and his life is changed. So the mother came with a boy, and she said, "Doctor is, very depressed because he doesn't have hair here, and we've done his hair transplant. He's got fantastic hair." Even 65-year-old patient, we said we will be trying. We are not going to assure you, but even he is so very happy because life changes when you have hair. It is like you are completely a new transformed person. And we give one promise to every patient: until you get your hair back, we are with you. No clinic promises that, but we give them. So we give them, after surgery, we give them all these procedures, non-surgical.